Hey guys, so it's currently Saturday morning. We are heading off with Nate to check out a car that he potentially might want to buy. He's currently in front of us in his Statesman and he's finally going to get a JDM car, so he's pretty sure he's decided on an S2000. He has thought about other cars and I think Nov's tried to convince him to go for something else, but he's pretty dead set on an S2000. So we found one in Clayton. We're going to go check it out. There's, I think, quite a lot wrong with it. I think there's probably quite a lot wrong with it. We're going to go inspect the damage, see if it's worth it, see if it's worth the price, and just check it out. It's at some workshop, so it's signaling that it's going to need work done, but guess that's the fun part about working on your car too. So I don't think he minds working on it at all, but just to see if it's actually worth the money that they're asking for. So let's go check out this S2000. There's his Statesman. He's had this car for about 5-6 years now. He loves it for so many reasons, but he's finally about to get back into the JDM scene.
With the key card in the seat, because I'm just thinking like.
Just some random stuff. That's weird. So it's missing the mirrors. It's literally been keyed. So that didn't quite work out, but that's okay. The hunt continues. Just wasn't worth the price they were asking for. I was already on the search with his pink lemonade. I know, how?
It's a female lemonade. Because it's the pink blower.
Nob does not waste any time. He's already searching for another one. No bloody time wasting here. So Nate, do you want to give us a little quick recap on that car we just saw?
It was cheap.
Yep.
It's like 11 grand for the S2000, which sounds really cheap, and it is, but it has a few issues like the paint. It's been scratched by a key all the way around. So you would have to respray the car, but then it's also got a few issues, got a few dents, which kind of looks like it's been an accident. Definitely has been like a driver's front right wheel accident. I think he's hit a curb or something, because underneath you can see a lot of parts bent where the chassis is above the wheel, and a lot of parts have been replaced. There's a lot of rust there, and there's just little imperfections. There's a lot of imperfections that I think would actually cost a lot of money to get it resprayed and fixed. So it's just not perfect, man. I think once you spend that money just to fix it, like you could have just bought another one that was in good condition. It's the same thing. So all that work really for nothing. But the guy was a top bloke, man. He was very friendly. The guy was selling and stuff.
Yeah, he was very honest and just a nice guy. So
I think it just suits somebody more that actually works in the like if you can paint your own car and work in your own bodywork.
Yes,
you can
exactly.
fix it pretty
That
well
would
for
help.
cheap.
Yeah, there was just too many. If it
was
was
just
only
too much
like a
work,
couple
yeah.
things, it wouldn't be an
Yeah.
issue to work on it, but that was just a bit too much for that much money.
Plus, it's not yellow.
And he really wants a yellow
I
one.
gotta find a yellow S2K.
And the journey continues.